Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at curved surfaces. Now today discuss about topics define focus or focal point and next definition define focal length of the lens. Only two definition I will explain. Let's start the class. Define focal point or focus. Define focal point or focus. A parallel beam of light incident on a lens converges to a point or seems to emanate from a point on the principal axis. This point is called focus. This point is called focus. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Define focal point or focus. A parallel beam of light incident on the lens converges to a point or seems to emanate from a point principal axis. This point is called focus or focal point. This is definition. Okay, a parallel beam. A parallel beam. Okay, parallel beam means a group of light rays parallel to each other is called parallel beam. Okay, group of light rays parallel. Okay, parallel beams light incident. The lens converges to a point that is called focus or focal point. Explanation focal point or focus. Okay, see this one. This line principal axis. This line what? Principal axis. Next after that take a double convex lens. Take a double convex lens. This is double convex lens. What is this is double convex lens. This line principal axis. Principal axis. Next one here C2, here C1. Here C2, here C1. C means center of curvature. C means center of curvature. C means center of curvature. Double convex is there. Two center of curvature is there. Next after that parallel beam. Parallel beam. Okay, this rays parallel beam. How many rays is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parallel beams. Okay, this is parallel beam. A group of light rays parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Okay, this ray, and this ray parallel to each other. This is called parallel beam. Parallel beam. Okay, after that this parallel beam of light incident on the lens. Which lens? Convex lens. Okay, a parallel beam of light on the lens, on the lens. Okay, after that, convergence. Convergence means this, like convergence. This is convergence. Convergence to a point, seems to emanate from a point. This point is called focus. Point is called focus or focal point. This point is called focus or focal point. After that, emanate 1, 2, 3, 4. Emanate. Okay, this is explanation. Next definition, define focal length of lens. Define focal length of lens. The distance between optic center and focus of the lens is known as focal length of the lens. Okay, once again repeat this definition. The distance between optic center and focus of the lens is known as focal length of the lens. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Define focal length of the lens. The distance between optic center and focus of the lens is known as focal length of the lens. Okay, this is definition. Okay, the distance between optic center and focus is called focal length. Explanation. This is line principal axis. This line what? Principal axis. Next one, take a convex lens. Take a convex lens. This is convex lens. Double convex lens. Double convex lens. Okay, this middle one, capital P. Capital P means optic center. What is meant by optic center? The midpoint of the lens. The midpoint of the lens. It is called optic center. Okay, middle point is there. This lens. It is called optic center. Middle point. Okay, after that, the rays, parallel rays passing through lens. After that, the rays convergence. Convergence. Okay, this point is called focus. Okay, here what is meant by focal length of the lens? The distance between optic center and focus. Optic center and focus, it is called focal length. Okay, P and F, the distance between P and F, it is called focal length. Okay, the distance between optic center and focus, that is called focal length. This is explanation.